In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a YouTube video in Canva. This is a handy skill to have if you're looking to enhance your presentations, social media posts, or any other projects that could benefit from having a video embedded directly within your design. So let's dive in and make your designs more dynamic and engaging. First things first, we need to open Canva. Start by visiting canva.com and logging into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up for one. It's simple and free to do. Once you're logged in and are presented with the home page, you're ready to begin creating. Next, let's create a new design. On the home page, you'll notice a button that says Create a Design. Click this to get started. This will prompt you to select from a variety of templates. Choose whichever template suits your project's needs, whether it's a presentation slide, a social media post, or any other format. The process remains consistent. Now, you should select the size of your template. Canva offers a range of predefined sizes tailored for different social media platforms, or you can create a custom size by entering the dimensions needed for your specific design. Once you've decided on a size, your blank canvas will open, ready for you to start editing. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a menu with different options. We're going to focus on the Apps section today, so click on Apps to expand those options. In the search bar, type the word embed and hit enter. After this, you should see the embed app appear in the search results. Go ahead and click on it. Here comes the crucial part, embedding the YouTube video. You'll need to have your desired YouTube video's URL handy. You can find this by going to YouTube, selecting your video, and copying the link from the address bar. Once you have it, come back to Canva and paste the YouTube link into the embed input field. Alternatively, look out for icons below where you could select other embedding options. After pasting the YouTube link, click on the button that says Add to Design. This will paste your video directly onto your canvas, where you can move and resize it to fit your overall design layout better. To check that everything is as it should be, double-click on the video. This should allow you to interact with the YouTube link and ensure that it plays appropriately. Finally, click on the embed link to start playing the video right within your Canva design. And there you have it, a beautifully embedded YouTube video in your Canva project. This feature opens up a new avenue to make your designs more interactive and engaging to your audience. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy designing!